Hello everyone. Now our next topic is encyclopedias. Encyclopedia is a systematic compilation of information or knowledge of various topics. The information or knowledge in encyclopedia is arranged with a specific method. Which method is used? Organizing available knowledge and making it accessible is the main objective of encyclopedias. Now see the benefits of encyclopedia. What are the benefits? Encyclopedias make vast volume of knowledge accessible to the readers. You can get a vast volume. It can help in satisfying their curiosity. Encyclopedias provide fundamental information on any topic in order to understand it properly. Thus, the reader gets motivated to read extensively. Encyclopedias make the existing knowledge easily accessible to scholars and researchers, and also highlight the research areas which have not yet received enough attention. Encyclopedias are indicators of the state cultural ripeness of a society. The intellectual and cultural needs of a society determine what kind of encyclopedic literature would be created. Means it depends upon the creation of encyclopedias depend upon the intellectual and cultural needs of a society. Then accuracy. What are the important things to be remembered here? Accuracy, meticulousness, objectivity, standardized format of presentation, and updated information are the criteria designing a structure of an encyclopedia. In order to incorporate the latest available information, revised editions of encyclopedias or supplements to original editions needs to be published. Means additional editions are needed to update the knowledge or information. Encyclopedias are arranged either in alphabetical order or according to the order of topics. Means they can be arranged in both ways. First is which one? Arranging according to alphabetical order. That means as you see in dictionary. But second thing is the type of order is decided by keeping the convenience of the readers in mind. For example, simple to complex, like that. And the ease of accessibility. It is accessible easily to the information. An index at the end of the encyclopedia is very convenient in this regard. Index should be there. The encyclopedia can be created either by a single editor or an editorial committee is there, because vast information you are getting, means you can get. For that purpose, there may be single editor, or sometimes there may be editorial committee which consists of many members. The articles in the encyclopedia are written by subject expert. Types of encyclopedia. There are, we can divide into 4 types mainly. Dictionaries, comprehensive encyclopedia, that means Vishwakosh, and third one encyclopedic literature, that means Koshadrush, and fourth one indexes. Let us see first one, dictionaries. Dictionaries arrange the words in a language in certain order. That means alphabetical order is more common. It gives meanings of words, synonyms, etymology. There are various types of dictionaries. For example, comprehensive dictionaries, dictionaries which include only certain types of words, dictionaries of terminology. Terminology means what here? Deals with terms particular to a branch of knowledge. Different types of terms. For example, IT may be there, information technology, or science, or other related history, geography, whatever it may be. Etymological dictionaries. Thesaurs means they also provide vast knowledge, particular topic. Dictionaries of idioms and proverbs, etc. So we shall discuss other types in the next video.